Welcome to my elephant house. This is a modern and unique house. This is located in Pokhara, Nepal, Matepani. This is very beautiful house in the Pokhara. This Pokhara city is very beautiful city. Not only in Nepal, but also in the world. Very beautiful city. I like very much the mountains, lakes, cave, trekkings, hiking, sunset, sunrise, and many more. Very clean city of the Nepal. I like very much this city. This is Pokhara city, and mountains, fishtails, Annapurna range. It's very good, very beautiful mountain views we can see from here. Hi, namaste. I am owner of this house. I am Dilaram Lamisane. Yeah, hi, how are you guys? Yeah. This is garden of elephant house. Very beautiful gardens. And bird is chirvi. She is my wife, a beautiful wife. Hi, how are you? Hi. Yes, I am describing about my elephant house and this beautiful gardens. Yeah, this is located in Pokhara, Nepal, Matepani. This is very unique and creative house. This was made before 5 years, 1915. Yeah. This house was made concrete, cement, and irons. Yeah. This garden is very beautiful gardens, and there are different type of fruits and flowers, decorative fruits, flowers, and productive fruits like mangoes, guava, lychee. This is a pond. This is small pond. Yeah, there is fish, golden fish. Yeah, in my garden is small pond. Yeah, this is dhupi fruits. This is guava fruits. This is guava. Belauti ho. I am telling you English and Nepali language. Yeah, both combined. म अंग्रेजी र नेपालीमा बोलिरहेको छु. Here is one avocado fruits. Here is one avocado fruits. Yeah, avocado fruits. यो avocado को रुख हो. This is avocado fruits. This is dhupi. Yeah, this is bird cutting hedge. This is national flag. राष्ट्रिय झण्डा पनि छ यहाँ. Nepal's national flag. It's shape of Nepal's national flag. Yeah. There is mango. There is one शिवलिङ्ग. एउटा शिवलिङ्ग पनि छ यहाँ. शिवलिङ्गको आकृतिमा कटिएको छ. There is one dolphins. Yeah, you can see here dolphin. Yeah, this is my car. This is mango. Yes, mango trees. Yes, small mango trees and too much mangoes. धेरै राम्रो आँपहरू छन्. Yeah, very sweet mango. Oh, I am exciting to see you, to show you this mango tree and mango fruits. Oh, this is mango in my garden. यो mango मेरो गार्डनमा छ. Very sweet. Yeah, very beautiful mangoes. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, फुलहरू फुलेका छन्. This is leg of elephant. This is cutting edge. Yes, dhupi, bougainvillea, chameli. This is lychee. Yeah, lychee tree. Yes, small lychee tree, but it not lychee fruit here. Lychee को रुख हो. अझ lychee फलिसकेको छैन. Bougainvillea, gulbakawali flower. This is teeth of elephant, trunk, ear, eye. हात्तीको नाक, कान, आँखा, सुँडहरू, दाँतहरू देखिएको छ, धारा देखिएको छ. There is master room inside this elephant. This is the lateral side of the southern side. यो हात्तीको दक्षिण साइडको अगाडिको भाग हो यो. अगाडिको भाग हो. यो छाप्रोमा बसेको जस्तो देखिएको छ. वाउ, Let's go inside in the elephant. हामी अब भित्रपट्टि जाउँ. This is the main door. Main door in the elephant. This is the trunk. Elephant trunk is used to ladder, as a ladder. यो trunk हात्तीको सुँड भर्याङको रूपमा प्रयोग गरेको छ. Yeah, this trunk as a ladder we can use and we can go up a stairs from here. Wow. यहाँबाट हामी माथि छतमा जान सक्छौँ. This is inside. This is carving stone. कुदिएको ढुङ्गाहरू हो. This is carving stone in the pokhara. Yeah. Welcome to my meeting rooms. Wow. This is my beautiful meeting rooms. This is traditional and modern furniture combined. Sofa. This is my family. Oh, this is paint. This paint decorated by myself. All wall painted by myself, by enamels and many colors combined. These mountains, different type of shapes. Oh, ceiling, you can flying birds. Oh, उडिरहेको चरा माथि सिलिङमा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. There is cucumber shape. There is mango, mango tree and mango fruits in my ceiling. Wow, आँप फलेको देखिएको छ सिलिङमा माथि. Fence. Oh, different shape of clouds. Yeah, this is sky and clouds. This is all the paint by myself. यो माछापुच्छ्रे हिमाल हो. This is माछापुच्छ्रे mountains. Yeah, Annapurna range. Oh, rabbit in the cloud. Oh, this mountains, Himalaya range. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful. Oh. It's TV in the wall. This is TV in my meeting room walls. Yeah. There is Pokhara city, map of Pokhara city in my wall. Look at there. Oh, yeah, हेर्नुहोस् त पोखराको scene छ. This is scene of map of Pokhara city, Nepal. Yeah, हेर्नु त नेपालको सिटी कति राम्रो देखिएको छ. Wow. This is Kangdarara. Yeah, top of the mountain, Kangdarara. Yeah, we can see the Pokhara from here. Yeah, this is Vindhyavasini temple. This is a Hindu temple, very famous and well-known temple. Yeah, the red one is Matepani Gumba. This is Bauddha Gumba. Many tourists will come here. They came here and so. And this is Bhadrakali temple, Hindu temple, near my house. Bhadrakali temple, my Matepani Gumba, near my house. This is all the Pokhara city of. This is a peace pakoda, Shanti Stupa. हेर्नुहोस् त, this is a peace pakoda, peace stupa, Shanti Stupa. Yeah, in the top of the lakeside, top of the mountain, in Phewa Lake. Yeah, this is blue one is Phewa Lake and boating. यहाँ बोटिङ गर्छौँ. हेर्नु त यहाँ माछ यो चाहिँ फेवा ताल. हो लालीगुराँस लाइक लालुपाते हो. लालीगुराँस देखेन लालुपाते छ. रेड वान इज लालुपाते फ्रुट्स. भेरी वेल नन फ्लावर इन पोखरा. लालीगुराँस. Wow, this is Phame. The Phewa Lake comes from the Phame river. Yeah, Phame river. This is Sarangkot. We can paraglide from here, and we can see the sunset, and we can travel and trekking from here. This is Sarangkot, top of Sarangkot. Wow, Sarangkot mountain. Wow. This is me. This is my family. So 5. Well, decorate गरिएको, design गरिएको 250 square foot. This is 250 square foot room. This meeting rooms. All this house is located in the 1,000 square foot. This house is covered by 1,000 square foot and tall is 16 foot tall, and room 3 bedrooms and 1 kitchen dining and 1 meeting rooms. All together 5 rooms. 5 वटा कोठाहरू छन् यो घर भित्र. बैठक कोठा, kitchen dining, this kitchen dining and 3 bedrooms गरेर 5 वटा रुमहरू छन्. And this is me. And this house is height is 16 foot and wide is this is from my main door, and outside of the garden. I am in my main door and I am watching outside of my garden. Wow, how sweet. Oh, how beautiful. कति राम्रो देखिन्छ मेरो घरको ढोकाबाट, मेरो प्यासेजबाट बाहिर देखिएको यो. Oh, this is scene of my garden from my passage. Yeah, wow. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like this. This is my YouTube channel, and I am creating in YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment. Yeah. This is located in Pokhara. Please come my country and my city in Pokhara, Nepal. Very beautiful place, very beautiful city, very clean city in the Nepal. Not only Nepal, all the world. Very famous place in the world. This mango tree. This is located in Pokhara, Matepani. This is Elephant New Creative House. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting me. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. This is Elephant House, new creative house, new modern house. Yeah, this bird shaping cutting. Yes. यो मन परायो भने तपाईहरुले लाइक, सब्स्क्राइब, कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला प्लिज. मैले यो युट्युबमा हालिरहेको छु र सबैले देखुन् भनेर मैले यो हालेको हो. म एकदम तपाईहरुलाई देखाउन पाउँदा खुसी र गौरवान्वित भइरहेको छु. एकदम खुसी फिल गरिरहेको छु. दिस इज माई गार्डन, दिस इज माई युनिक हाउस. दिस इज र मैले यस्ता धेरै चिजहरू देखाउने छु. मैले केरा र स्याउ. आई विल शो यु banana statue and apple. This is a garden statue in my garden. This is ladies. मैले अर्को पनि तपाईहरुलाई I will show you a banana statue and apple statue near my house and garden. Yes, this is a sculpture of ladies. She is playing badminton. This is located in my over my gate. मेरो गेट माथि यो लेडिजले ब्याडमिन्टन खेलिरहेको आकृति पनि छ. Very beautiful. Yeah. She is playing badminton and located in over the my gate. Gate माथि यी लेडिज ब्याडमिन्टन खेलिरहेकी छन्. यहाँ धेरै खालका sculpture. We can see many sculpture in here. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you. This is apple sculpture made by myself. The height of this apple 9 foot and perimeter of this apple 16 foot and diameter of this apple 6 foot. The apple is made by the concrete, cement and irons. This is located in Pokhara city, Matepani, Pokhara. यो साह्रै राम्रो सुन्दर स्याउ चौतारी पोखरा माटेपानीमा स्थापित छ. यो मेरो हातबाट निर्माण भएको हो. This is banana sculpture made by myself. The material of this banana, concrete, cement and irons. This is located in the Pokhara, Matepani Gumba Fedi. This is a very beautiful sculpture. The length of this banana 12 foot and diameter of this banana 7 foot and diameter of this banana 3 foot. This is located in Matepani. यो केरा कोसाको चाहिँ मूर्ति अत्यन्त सुन्दर राम्रो पोखराको माटेपानी गुम्बा फेदीमा निर्माण गरिएको छ आजभन्दा 3 वर्ष अगाडि.